This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by gmoore. This custom floor plan has 5 bedrooms with 1 on the main level. Large room sizes for 4 of the 5 bedrooms. Open great room concept. Kitchen with pantry, gas range, quartz counters, tile backsplash and stainless steel appliances. Laundry room upstairs near the bedrooms. Located at the end of a cul-de-sac. Large fenced yard with raised garden beds. Nice large covered back patio too. RV parking as well. No HOA fees. Short walk to the heart of downtown Molalla, shops, restaurants and services. For more information, review the details below or contact gmoore at 503-495-3629.